Dear children, nice to meet you again in your Max online class. Students, first lesson is completed. Yes, children, do the sums again and again in your house. Okay, practice all the sums again and again. The number system is very important chapter. So you practice all the sums again and again. Okay. Yes, children, if you have any doubts from first lesson, then ask me your doubts. Okay. Today we are going to learn about second lesson, factors and multiples. Today we are going to learn about second lesson, factors and multiples. Okay. In class 6th we have learned about factors and multiples. Yes or no, children? Yes. Okay. In this chapter we will learn more about factors and multiples. Okay. Throughout this chapter we will deal with only natural numbers. Okay. First of all we are going to learn about factors. Okay. Before that we will study about product. So listen carefully. What do you mean by product? The answer of an multiplication is called product. Okay. When two or more natural numbers are multiplied together, then the result obtained is known as the product. Okay. For example, 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. Okay. Here product of 6 and 2 is equal to 12. Okay. Here this number is called multiplicand. First number is called multiplicand and second number is called multiplier and this number is called product. Okay. So product of 6 and 2 is 12. Okay. That product means the answer of an multiplication. Okay. Here two numbers are multiplied. One number is 6 and another number is 2. So 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. Here 12 is the product of 6 and 2. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Here and one more names are the 6 is the factor of 12. Okay. Here 6 is the factor of 12. Why do we say that 6 is the factor of 12? Any idea? Why? Why do we say that 6 is the factor of 12? Because 12 is divided by 6. Okay. எதனால நம்ம 6 12 ஓட factor னு சொல்றோம்? 6 வந்து 12 வந்து 6 divide பண்ணும். Okay. For example, see here 12. Okay. Now you divided by 6. Okay. Now you divide by 6. 2 6 are 12. Yes or no? 2 6 are 12. Here remainder is quotient is 2, remainder is 0. Okay. To find out whether a number is divisible by another number, we divide it by the second number. Okay. If the remainder is 0, we conclude that the divisor is a factor and that the first number is divisible by the second number. Okay. புரிஞ்சுதா? எதனால நம்ம 6 வந்து factor னு சொல்றோம்? 12 is divisible by 6. Okay. To find out whether a number is divisible by another number, we divide it by the second number. Okay. If the remainder is 0, we conclude that the divisor is a factor. So 6 ஆல divide பண்றோம். 6 தான் divisor. So நமக்கு remainder 0 வந்துச்சு. அப்ப என்னது நமக்கு? Factor is a divisor. Okay. Divisor is a factor and that the first number is divisible by the second number. Okay, children? So that's why 6 is the factor of 12. Are you clear? எதனால நம்ம 6 வந்து 12 ஓட factor னு சொல்றோம்? 12 6 divide பண்ணும். Remainder 0. 12 நம்ம 6 ஆல divide பண்ணும்போது உன்னோட remainder என்ன வருது? 0. அப்ப remainder 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா உன்னோட divisor நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? இந்த நம்பரோட factor. Clear? Yes. And 2 also one of the factor of 12. 2 also one of the factor of 12. Why? 12 is divisible by 2. Yes, children? Now you check. 12. Now you divided by 2. Okay. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 0. So divisor is a factor. So 2 is the factor of 12. Okay. So here 2 is the exact divisor. Here 6 is the exact divisor. So that's why 6 is the factor of 12 and 2 is also factor of 12. Okay children. So factor means the factor of a given number is an exact divisor of that number. புரிஞ்சுதா? அப்ப ஃபேக்டர்னா என்ன? ஒரு எக்ஸாக்ட் டிவைசரா இருக்கணும். எக்ஸாக்ட் டிவைசர்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? ரிமைண்டர் 0 வரணும். ரிமைண்டர் 0 வந்தாதான் அது என்னது? ஒரு எக்ஸாக்ட் டிவைசர். ஸோ அப்படி எக்ஸாக்ட் டிவைசரா இருந்தா அந்த நம்பரை நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ஃபேக்டர். ஓகே, clear children? Yes. And one more example. You multiply 12 is divisible 5. Any idea? 12 5 divide பண்ணுமா? Is 12 divisible by 5? No. Yes children. You see here in fifth table 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 2. Here remainder is there, not 0. 2. So that's why 5 is not an exact divisor. Yes children. So 5 is not the factor of 12. Okay. So appo divisor exact divisor ah irukanuna remainder என்னவா இருக்கணும்? 0 வா இருக்கணும். The remainder 0 வா இல்ல. அப்ப என்ன ஆகுதுங்குது? ஒரு exact divisor இல்ல. So that's why this is not a factor of 12. Okay children, clear? Yes? Okay. Now what is the factor of 5? How will you find? What is the factor of 5? 5 ஓட factors லாம் எது? சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். 5 எதாலலாம் டிவைட் ஆகும்? இங்க 12 ஓட factors எதெல்லாம்? 6, 2 and more factors are there. Okay. So now you say what is the factor of 5? How will you find the factors of 5? How can divide 5 as a product of two numbers? Say, how can divide 5 as a product of two numbers? In first table, okay, you come step by step, that is in first table. Okay. So 5 வந்து நம்மளுக்கு ப்ராடக்ட்ல வரணும். இதே மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட்ல வரணும். ஆன்சர் ஆஃப் அண்ட் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். ஓகே, அதே மாதிரி இன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேபிள் ஏதாவது இருக்கா? எஸ். 5 1 is 5. Children, 5 1 is 5. So 5 is the factor and y is one of the factor. Okay. Here 6 2s are 12. So that's why 12 is divisible by 6 and 12 is divisible by 2. Okay. So that's why 6 and 2 are the factors of 12. Same thing. Here 5 1 is 5. So definitely 5 is divisible by 5 and 5 is divisible by 1. Okay. So that's why 5 and 1 are the factors of 5. And any other combinations? Any other combination? Say, any other combination product of two numbers as 5? வேற ஏதாவது டேபிள் இருக்கா? உன்னோட ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து 5 வரது மாதிரி இல்ல. Is that no? So that's why 1 and 5 only factors of 5. Definitely 5 is divisible by 5. Okay, you check now. 5 is there. Now you divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. So that's why our remainder is 0. So that's why 5 is an exact divisor. So 5 is the factor of 5. And 1. Now you divide 5 divided by 1. Here how many times are there? 5 1 is 5. So here remainder is 0. So that's why 1 is the factor of 5. Okay. Clear children? Okay. So நம்ம அப்ப ப்ராடக்ட்ல இப்படி எழுத முடிஞ்சுனா இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? இதோட factors. The product ஓட factors னு சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? புரிஞ்சதுல? 6 2 6 2s are 12. So அப்போ 12 ஓட factors எதெல்லாம்? 6 2. அதே மாதிரி 5 1 is 5. அப்போ 5 ஓட factors எதெல்லாம்? 5 and 1. Okay, clear children? Yes. Now all of you take your max note, classwork note. Take it. Children, now all of you take your classwork note. Okay. Take new page. Now second lesson. So take new page. Take new page, children. Okay. Then write the heading, second lesson, factors and multiples. Children, all of you, take your classwork note and take new page. Okay. And write today's day and date. And write the heading, second lesson, factors and multiples. Are you writing? Yes. Then after you write the definition, factors. Write the heading, second lesson, factors and multiple. Then after you write subheading, factors. Then write down the definition, okay. Factor of a given number is an exact divisor of that numbers. Example. Write in the classwork note, children. First you write the definition, okay. Factors, then after you write the definition, factor of a given number is an exact divisor of that number. Then after you write examples. First example, factors of 5. So factors of 5 is equal to 1 and 5, okay. Here 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 is divisible by 5. So that's why 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. Okay. Next, factors of 12. Here 12 is divisible by 1, 12 is divisible by 2, 12 is divisible by 3, 12 is divisible by 4, 12 is divisible by 6, 12 is divisible by 12. Okay. Here that is 6 factors are there. These factors are factors of 12. Okay. Next, third one, factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Here 1, that is 1 and 1, 2, 4, 8. These numbers are factors. Okay, children. Why? These numbers are exact divisor. Okay. So that's why the factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. You see here, children, you see here all the numbers have 1 is factor. Yes or no? All the numbers. The factors of 5 is equal to 1 and 5, and factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Here 3 numbers are there. In 3 numbers have 1 is the factor. Okay. So the number 1 is the factor of every number. Okay. And second point, every number is a factor of itself. Okay. These 2 points are very, very important. Okay, children. Study. Okay. Now write it all the points in your note. Do it fast. Write fast, children. Write neatly, okay? Have you finished? Yes, children? Yes. Now see the example. Okay, factors of 5, factors of 12 and factors of 8. Okay, you see here all the factors. One is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Okay, here factors of 5 is equal to 1 and 5. 5 also there, one of the factor. Okay, here factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 12 also there. 12 is one of the factor of 12. Okay, and here factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 also there. So 8 also one of the factor of 8. So every number is a factor of itself. Okay, and every number has finite number of factors. Every number has finite number of factors. You see here factors of 5 is equal to 1 and 5. Only 2 numbers only. Okay, here the numbers are finite. Finished. Yes, children. So every number has finite number of factor. Here smallest factor is 1 and greatest factor is that number itself. Okay, நம்மளுக்கு smallest factor ஒரு நம்பரோட smallest factor எதுவா இருக்கும்? கண்டிப்பா 1 தான் இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி greatest factor எதுவா இருக்கும்? the number itself. So அப்போ 1ல தொடங்கி அதே நம்பர்ல factor முடியும். சரியா? 1ல தொடங்கும் எதுல முடியும்? அதே நம்பர்ல தான் முடியும். So that's why smallest factor is 1, greatest factor is number itself. Okay, children? Clear? And every number has finite number of factors. Okay, and every factor of a number is either equal to or less than that number. Okay, so factors லாம் பாரு, ஒன்ல ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும் அதோட factors, இல்லனா less than இருக்கும், greater than இருக்காது. பாத்தியா 5 ஓட factors எதெல்லாம்? 1 5. 1 வந்து smallest number, 5 is equal number. Okay, and 12, you see here all the numbers are less than numbers, 12 is equal number. And factors of 8, you see here 1, 2 and 4. These 3 numbers are less than numbers comparing 8, and one number is there, that is equal number. Okay, so every factor of a number is either equal to or less than that number. Okay, children, these points very important points, remember. Okay, next, now you come to the problem sums. Okay, have you finished? Yes. Problems. First question. Write all the factors of the following. First question, 15. Write the factors of 15. How will you find factors? Factors na enna? Enna cheyano? Factor of a given number is an exact divisor of that number. Exact divisor ah irukano. Exact divisor na eppadi kandupidikirathu? ஃபேக்டர்னா நம்மளுக்கு எக்ஸாக்ட் டிவைசரா இருக்கணும் அப்படிதானே அப்ப எக்ஸாக்ட் டிவைசரை நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது if the remainder is 0 we conclude that the divisor is a factor okay to find out whether a number is divisible by another number by we divide it by the second number if the remainder is 0 we conclude that the divisor is a factor okay and that the first number is divisible by the second number okay children so நம்மளுக்கு டிவைட் பண்ணக்கூடிய நம்பர் so டிவைட் பண்ணக்கூடிய நம்பர் நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம் டேபிள்ல இருக்கணும் அப்படிதானே டேபிள்ல வந்துச்சுனா நமக்கு அந்த நம்பர் என்ன ஆகும் டிவைட் ஆகும் yes children so now you say how can divide 15 as a product of two numbers ப்ராடக்ட்ல இருக்கணும் டேபிள்ல சரியா so say how can divide 15 as a product of two numbers ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 15 வரணும் புரிஞ்சுதா ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு 15 வரணும் அப்படி உள்ள காம்பினேஷன் உள்ள பேர்லாம் சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம் how can we divide 15 as a product of two numbers say first end வருவோம் okay we start from first table okay children now you say 15 any possible any combination is there any combination in first table நம்மளுக்கு product வந்து 15 வரணும் சரியா say yes 15 1 is 15 okay 15 1 is 15 so 15 and 1 are factors of 15 புரிஞ்சுதா ப்ராடக்ட்ல எழுத முடிஞ்சிருச்சுனாலே நமக்கு இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரும் இதோட ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் தான் எதனால ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் னு சொல்லுவோம் 15 is divisible by 15 yes children 115 is 15 so that's why 15 is the factor of 15 and 15 is divisible by 1 so that's why 1 also one of the factor of 15 okay next second table ல ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து நமக்கு 15 வரணும் ஓகே ப்ராடக்ட் எந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு 15 வரும் first table okay second table is there any combination say is there any combination in second table no yes children 1 2 is 2 2 2s are 4 3 2s are 6 4 2s are 8 5 2s are 10 6 2s are 12 7 2s are 14 8 2s are 16 15 not there okay so no combination product of two numbers as 15 okay children so leave it second table now you come to the third table okay say any other combinations in third table any combination is there yes children 5 3s are 15 first table 15 1 is 15 in third table 5 3s are 15 now next fourth table say product of two numbers as 15 we need okay so in fourth table no 1 4 is 4 2 4s are 8 3 4s are 12 4 4s are 16 here 15 not there as a product to 15 yes children so leave it fourth table next you come to the fifth table 1 5 is 5 2 5s are 10 3 5s are 15 okay so in fifth table 3 5s are 15 okay children next sixth table no 1 6 is 6 2 6 are 12 yes then 3 6 are 18 okay so appo namakku inga product of two numbers 15 varadu sixth table la next seventh table any possible no 1 7 is 7 2 7s are 14 3 7s are 21 here also product 15 not there yes children so leave it seventh table next you come to the eighth table 1 8 is 8 2 8s are 16. Okay, so leave it. Now you come to the 9th table. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. Not there as a product 15. Yes children. Next 10th table. Not there. 1 10 is 10. 2 10s are 20. Next 11th table. 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. So not there. Yes children. Next 12th table. 13th table. 14th table. Not there. Now next 15th table. Yes or no? 15th table. 115 is 15. Okay. 115 is 15. You see here. You see here. You see the pair. First pair is 15. 1 is 15. Next 5 3s are 15. Third one is 3 5s are again reversed. Okay. Okay children. Here 3 onwards is already covered here. அப்படிதானே முதல்ல 15 1 வந்திருக்கு, அப்புறம் 5 3 வந்திருக்கு, திருப்பி என்ன ஆகுது, ரிப்பீட் ஆகுது பாரு, 3 5s. ஸோ அப்போ திருப்பி ரிப்பீட் ஆகுறதுனால என்ன செய்திடலாம், நம்ம இது ரெண்டையும் விட்டுடலாம். ஏன் விட்டுடலாம், இதில் இருக்க ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் தான் இங்கேயும் இருக்கும். 15 1 5 3, 15 1 5 3, சேம் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை திஸ் பேர் நோ நீட். ஓகே, எதனால வேண்டாம், அதே இதை தான் நம்ம ரிப்பீட் பண்ணியிருப்போம். சரியா? ஸோ அப்போ ரிப்பீட் ஆகும்போது என்ன செய்திடலாம், நம்ம ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடலாம். 5 3s are 15. Next table is 5 table only. 3 5s are 15. Here the combination is repeated. So that's why you stop it. Okay. So your factors of 15 is equal to, factors of 15 is equal to, arrange in ascending order. Okay. So here 1 3 5 15. Factors of 15 is equal to 15 1 5 and 3. Okay. Now you arrange the ascending order. Okay children. So your factors are like this. Use it. Okay. 1 3 5 15. 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 15. So the factors of 15 is equal to 1 3 5 15. Definitely these numbers are divided. Okay. 15 is divided by these numbers. Okay children, otherwise you check first, you check for 1. Okay, so here 15 is the dividend, 1 is the divisor. Okay, factor of a given number is an exact divisor, is a factor. Exact divisor தான் நம்மளுக்கு factors. அப்ப இதெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு என்னது, exact divisor. அப்ப நம்ம 15 இப்போ இந்த நம்பரால டிவைட் பண்ணி பார்க்க போறோம். சரியா? Here 1, how will you divide? 15 1 is 15. Yes children. So here remainder is 0. So 1 is the exact divisor. So 1 is the factor of 15. Next 3. Now you check. 15 divided by 3. 5 3s are 15. So remainder is 0. So that's why 3 is an exact divisor. So 3 is called factor of 15. Okay children. Yes. Next 5. 15 divided by 5. Okay, 3 5s are 15. So remainder is 0. So that's why 5 also one of the factor of 15. Next 15. 15 divided by 15. 1 15 is 15. Remainder is 0. So 15 also one of the factor of 15. Okay, so that's why factors of 15 is equal to 1 3 5 15. These are exact divisor. These exact divisors are called factors. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல, அந்த 15 the product வந்து 15 வரது முடியா நம்ம டேபிள் எழுதுறோம், அவ்வளவுதான். நம்ம டேபிள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேபிள்ல இருந்தே ஃபாலோ பண்றோம். சரியா? நமக்கு எது வரணும், இந்த ஆன்சர், இந்த क्वेश्चन வந்து உனக்கு இங்க ப்ராடக்ட்டா வரணும். அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு என்னது, ஃபேக்டர்ஸ், அவ்வளவுதான். Okay children, now write it in the classwork note. First question. Okay, problems. Write the question, write all the factors of following. Okay, first one 15. ஏற்கனவே 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். சரியா? factors and multiples. Now only recall, only going on. Okay children, so do carefully. Okay, Write all the factors of the following. First question 15. Have you finished? Write all the factors of the following. First question 15. Then write the pairs, okay? Combinations. Then after you write the answer. Okay, children? Clear? Okay, next question. (24). Write the factors of 24. Okay. Now, say how can divide 24 as a product of two numbers from first table onwards. Okay. How can divide 24 as a product of two numbers. Okay, children. In first table 24 one is 24. Okay. Now you come to the second table. Any pass as a product of 24? Irika 24 la two table? Yes, 12 twos are 24. 12 twos are 24. Okay, now you come to the third table. Any combination in third table? Yes, 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. Okay, now you come to the fourth table. Is there any combination as a product of two numbers in 24? Yes, 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. Next, fifth table. Is there any combination? Say, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 24 is not there. Okay, so fifth table is not come. Next, sixth table. Sixth table. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Okay, this is repeated. Yes, children. Here already 6 fours are is there. Now in sixth table, that factors also 6 fours are 24. Sorry, 4 6 are 24. Yes, children. So you see here again repeated. So அடுத்தது என்ன வந்திருக்கும் நமக்கு? 8th table வந்திருக்கும். 3 8s are 24. Next 12th table, 2 12s are 24. Next 24th table, 1 24 is 24. Okay, so that's why stop பண்ணிரு. நமக்கு டைம் தான் வேஸ்ட் ஆகும். சரியா? சோ அப்ப என்ன செய்திரலாம்? எதெல்லாம் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ்? இதுல இருக்க எல்லா நம்பர்ஸும் நமக்கு ஃபேக்டர்ஸ். நம்ம அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர்ல அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுத போறோம். Okay, so factors of 24. Okay, start first number 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. Okay, these all the numbers are exact divisors. So okay, so that's why these numbers are factors of 24. Okay, children, clear? The number எல்லாமே 24 டிவைட் பண்ணோம். சரியா? எப்படி டிவைட் பண்றதுனா எப்படி? ரிமைண்டர் 0 வந்துரும். சோ அப்படி ரிமைண்டர் 0 வந்துட்டாலே இந்த நம்பர்லாம் இத என்ன செய்யும்? டிவைட் பண்ணும். Okay, so that's why these numbers are factors of 24. Okay, children? Okay, are you clear? Yes. Write it in the classwork note. Second question. 24. Write neatly. Okay, do fast. Have you finished? Yes, children. Now the next question. Okay, next third question is 30. Now you say write the factors of 30. So first step, how can divide 30 as the product of two numbers? Say from first table onwards. Okay, so 31 is 30. Next second table, 15 2s are 30. Yes children, உனக்கு தெரியலனா என்ன செய்யணும், 30 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். சரியா? 30 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணி பாக்கும்போது 1 2 is 2, remainder is 1 0, 5 2s are 10. So 15 2s are 30. Quotient into divisor is equal to dividend. Okay, so 15 2s are 30. This pair will come. Okay, உனக்கு தெரியல டேபிள் தெரியல அப்படினு சொன்னா என்ன செய்யணும், 30 2 டேபிள் ஆல டிவைட் ஆகுமான்னு பார்க்கறதுக்கு என்ன செய்யணும், டிவைட் பண்ணி பாரு. இங்க ரிமைண்டர் 0 வந்துரும். So 0 வந்தாலே 2 is an exact divisor. So 15 2s are 13. Next in 3 table divide பண்ணி பார்த்தீனா 1 3 is 3. Okay, here 3 3s are 9. Sorry, here 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so 0 only. So your answer is 10. 10 3 is 10 3s are 30. Okay, 10 3s are 30. Next fourth table divided by 4. Okay, 30 divided by 4. So 30 7 4s are 28. So remainder is 2. So 4 is not a exact divisor. So அப்போ fourth table நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வராது, product 30 வராது. சரியா? புரியுதா? Okay, next you come to the fifth table. 30 divided by 5. 6 5s are 30. Okay, here the remainder is 0. So that's why 5 is an exact divisor. So the factors are, how will you write? 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. Okay children. Next sixth table. Now you divided by 30 as divided by 6. 5 6 are 30. So 5 6 are 30. You see here, repeated. 6 5s are 30, 5 6 are 30. Okay, so அடுத்தல என்ன வரும் நமக்கு, 3 10s are வரும் 10th table. Next என்ன வரும், 15 2s are, sorry 2 15s are வரும். Next 31 1 30s ni வரும். சரியா? சோ அப்ப இதே ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் தான் என்ன ஆகும், திருப்பியும் நமக்கு ரிப்பீட் ஆகும். சோ அதனால அதை எழுதிட்டு இருக்க வேண்டாம். சோ ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, so therefore the factors are this. Okay, therefore factors of 30 is equal to 1 2 3 1 3 5 6 10 15 30. Okay children, these numbers are exact divisor of 30. Okay, so that's why these numbers are factors of 30. Okay children, yes, write it in the classwork note. Do it fast children, and once your question and answer is completed, you put a line using scale and pencil. Okay, okay, next question. Fourth one, 50. Write all the factors of 50. Okay, how can divide 50 as a product of two numbers on first table. Okay, 50 one is 50. Next 50 in the second table. Is there any combination in second table? Yes. 25 twos are 50. Otherwise divided by 2. Okay, 50 is divided by 2. Now 2 twos are 4. Remainder 1 0. 5 twos are 10. So 25 twos are 50. Okay, 25 twos are 50. Next 50 is divided by 3. Okay, 1 3 is 3. Remainder 2 0. 6 3s are 18. Remainder. Here remainder is there. So that's why 3 is not an exact divisor. So என்ன வராது 50 வந்து 3 டேபிள்ல வராது. ஏன் வராது? நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ரிமைண்டர் வந்திருக்கு. அப்ப 3 வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸாக்ட் டிவைசர் இல்ல. சரியா? Next you come to the fourth table. Divided by 4. Okay. 1 4 is 4. 10. 2 4s are 8. Here also remainder. Yes children? So 4 is not an exact divisor. So this product is not coming in fourth table. Okay. Next you come to the fifth table. Surely will come. Yes. 1 5 is 5. 10. So 0. Okay. 10 5 is 0. That remainder is 0. So that's why your answer is 10 5 is 50. 10 5 is 50. Next, in sixth table, any possible? 50 as a product of two numbers? No. Yes, children? Why? 7 6 are 42. 8 6 are 48. 9 6 are 54. 50 is not there. Yes, children? So, that is 6 is not an exact divisor. Okay. Next, seventh table. No. Eighth table? No. Ninth table? Not the 10th table. Yes, 5 10 is 10. Sorry, 5 10 is 15. Okay, you see here already 5 10 and 5 are there. Yes children. So here again 5 onwards is already covered the product. Yes children. Yes or no? Already here 10 5 is 50 is there. Now again 5 10 is 50. 5 10s are 50. Okay, so 5 onwards is already covered here. Okay, so stopped. Okay, so your products your factors of 50 is equal to factors of 50 is equal to, say the answer. Say the answer. Okay, 1 2 5 10 25 50. Okay children, புரியுதா? Okay, இங்க வந்து நம்மளுக்கு 5 திருப்பியும் என்ன ஆகும்? 5 10 is 50 அப்படினு சொல்லி திருப்பியும் நம்மளுக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். Okay, so that's why அத வந்து நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம்? ஸ்டாப் பண்றோம். Okay children? Yes. Now write it in the classwork note. Fourth question, 50. Have you finished? Next question. 25. Write all the factors of 25. Okay. So, say now. How can divide 25 as a product of two numbers? In first table, 25 1 is 25. Okay. Next. Is there any combination in second table? No. 25 is the odd number. So odd number definitely not divided by even numbers. Okay. So that's why that is wrong. Next. Third table. 25 is divisible by 3? No. Yes, children. Next. 25 is divisible by 4? No. Yes? Yes or no? No. Next. Is 25 divisible by 5? Yes. Why? 5 5s are 25. Okay. 5 5s are 25. Next. Any other possible? Say, any other combination? Not there. Yes, children. So here already two numbers are repeated. Okay. Here 5 onwards is already covered here. That's only know that we have all possible product of two numbers. Okay, children. So the factors of 25 is equal to factors of 25 is equal to 1 5 25. Here already one more time 5 is there. So you write only one time. Okay. So 1 5 25. The factors of 25 is equal to 1 5 and 25. Okay, children. Clear? And one more question. Listen here. Don't write. Factors of 7. Okay. 7. Now you say, how can divide 7 as a product of two numbers? In first table, 7 1 is 7. Okay. Next. Is 7 is divisible by 2? No. Yes, children. 7 is a odd number. So, is not divisible by 2. Okay. Next, 3. Third table. Is 7 is divisible by 3? No. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So, 7 is not divisible by 3. Next. Is 7 divisible by 4? No. Is 7 divisible by 5? No. Is 7 divisible by 6? No. And any other combination? Is there no? Yes, is there. This number is divisible by 7. Yes, children. So same number repeated. 7 1 is 1 7 is 7. Seventh table. Yes. So these numbers only factor 1 and 7. Here also two number 1 and 7. Here also two numbers 1 and 7 only. Okay. So therefore the factors of 7 is equal to 1 and 7. Okay, children. So appo nammaloda factors oda 7 evlavu 1 adhe number na. சரியா? என்ன வருது? 1 டிவைட் பண்ணோம். இன்னொன்னு அதே நம்பரை தான் அது டிவைட் பண்ணிக்கும். only 2 factors. ஓகே. ஸோ அப்போ கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு எல்லா நம்பருக்குமே நம்மளுக்கு எத்தனை ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் உண்டு? 2 factors உண்டு. சரியா? Now you write it in the classwork note. 5th question and 6th question. Okay. Do it. Write it in your classwork note, children. Okay. Right. Have you finished? Okay children, now all of you take your maths homework note. Write homework questions. Children, now all of you take your maths homework note. Write homework question. Write all the factors. First question, write all the factors. Okay. First one 8, second one 12, third one is 16, fourth one is 32, fifth one is 42, sixth one is 27. Okay. Very easy questions. Okay children, do yourself. Okay. Now we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.